Welcome to Sectigo Certificate Manager (SCM) How-to Video Series. This video will show how SCM administrators can create and customize certificate profiles and delegate certificate profiles to organizations or departments. Certificate profiles will allow an SCM administrator to define the usage of these profiles, such as who and the purpose of the certificate. SCM provides a wide variety of certificate templates you can customize to create your own certificate profiles. Depending on the certificate template, you can specify the following: what term options are available, as well as the allowed key types, or how the certificate can be used, and which organizations or departments can order, manage, or request a certificate. Now let's look at how to create a new SSL certificate profile in SCM. Log into SCM. On the top left corner, click the three bars and select Enrollment, then Certificate Profiles from the menu. By default, if you have not yet configured any certificate profiles, this table will be empty. Click the Add button on the Add Certificate Profile window. Enter a name and you can add a description if you wish. Indicate whether the enrolling backend will be Sectigo Public CA or any other private or public CA. Now select your certificate type. In this example, we will choose SSL certificate. Next, choose your baseline certificate template. Now click Next. Now we will first define the terms parameter. Terms determine how long an issued certificate is valid. If a certificate profile has multiple terms, the final value can be selected from this list during enrollment. Next, we define the key types. Allowed key types determine what public key algorithms and key strengths can be used. Once complete, click Save. Your new certificate profile now appears in the table. Note that if you choose to edit a profile in the future, you will only be able to modify the name and the term length if that option was available. Now we will look at how to create a new device certificate profile in SCM. Click the Add button on the Add Certificate Profile window. Enter a name and you can add a description if you wish. Indicate whether the enrolling backend will be Sectigo Public CA or any other private or public CA. Now choose Device as your certificate type. Next, select the baseline certificate template. Now click Next. Now we will define the terms parameter. Next, we define the key types. Once complete, click Save. Your new certificate profile now appears in the table. Note that if you choose to edit a profile in the future, you will only be able to modify the name and the term length if that option was available. Once you create the certificate profiles, they can be delegated for use by specific organizations and departments. To delegate a certificate profile, navigate to the Enrollment section on the left-hand side, then click Certificate Profiles. Select a certificate profile and click Delegate to open the Delegate Certificate Profile window. Set the mode to Customized to select the appropriate organization and/or department. Next, we choose the access level of the certificate profile, or you can select General to make it available to all existing organizations. Click Save once complete. If you require any additional information, please check our documentation page in SCM as well as all the various articles in our knowledge base section. Thank you.